Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. And today we're having a look at the classic Imagine from John Lennon. Okay, so straight into it. First of all, the chords you will need for this song are just C. You will need an F major 7. You will need an F. You will need an F with an E bass. You will need a D minor 7. You will need a G. You will need a G7. And you will need an E. Okay, so like I always say, if any of those chords give you a little bit of a problem, just try freezing the video and practicing them. But assuming you're all good to go, let's crack straight on and play the song together. The chord arrangements will come up on the screen. Okay, so let's just start off with that verse and intro. Ready with your C and C, 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 F major 7. Do, 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 C and C, C, F major 7. Do, 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 C and C, C, F major 7. Do, 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 C and C, C, F major 7. Here we go. And F and then E bass and then D minor and C and a G, 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 G7. Start again. C, 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 F major 7. Do, 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 C and C, C, F major 7. Again. C and C and C, F major 7. Do, 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 C and C, C, F major 7. 2, 3, and F and then E bass and then D minor 7 and C and a G, 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 G7. F and a G and a C and then an E. F and then a G and then a C and E. F and a G and a C then an E. F and then a G and C. Okay, those are the only sections in the song. Give it a try, get it nice and easy. Get your vocals sorted as well, it'll sound fantastic. Great one to do on an acoustic guitar and people love it. All the best, thanks for watching and like and subscribe if you enjoy it, and I'll see you again soon for more easy guitar songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you.